Hi, Dr. Wetherington. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is really just the words and photos on your home page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that you have about 500. Another thing, Google doesn't see photos, they read what's behind them. So when we click on this photo and we save image as, we can see that it's saved for 03 Atlas 4 Web. So you want to get that switched out to a keyword. Taking a look at your competition, Dynamic Spine and Rehab, we see that it looks like they have about 1,000 words on their homepage, but when I looked into it, they actually have another 3,400 words hidden in their reviews. So they actually have about 4,400 words on their homepage. Savannah Chiropractic, they have close to 1,000 words on their homepage. And the Joint, they have close to 2,000 words. So I would definitely add another couple thousand words to your homepage so that way you can at least match your competition. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for chiropractor Savannah, Georgia, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads, which according to statistics, they're not as effective as the map pack, which is right here, or the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is simply just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, or even Facebook. The tool that I like to use to check out how many citations each business has is called whitespark.ca. So looking at you guys, you have 68 citations. Dynamic Spine and Rehab has 46. The Joint has 20. So what I would do is just go ahead and add 350 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide. And then go ahead and also get your GMB, which is Google My Business Listing, optimized so you can be in the top 3 positions. The last thing I want to talk to you about is the organic section, and backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. So backlinks are also known as link juice, and link juice, simply put, works like this. So site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like the link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So there's a little bit more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective if you have relative sites linking back to you. So say you had a chiropractic site in California linking back to you, that would be a lot more effective than Pizza Hut. So the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug your URL in, we can see that you have 31 referring domains giving you 819 backlinks. This is Savannah Family Chiropractor. They have 40 referring domains giving them 147 backlinks. Savannah Chiropractic Center, 22 referring domains giving them 80 backlinks. And the Joint has 20 referring domains giving them 40 backlinks. So another thing that I'd like to point out is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some are trustworthy, some are spammy. So here the UR will be the power and the DR is the trust. And a reason why Google will rank you is because they trust your backlinks. And so when we take a look at Savannah Chiropractic Center, we see that they have some power, but they have very, very little trust. You want these numbers to be pretty close together. Taking a look at yours, you have some power and a little bit less trust. So we want to get some better backlinks pointing back at you. And we also want them to be relevant to your niche. So let's take a look at the keywords. So on this side we'll have the keywords. The volume is the average monthly searches for that keyword. The KD is going to be the keyword difficulty, which is how difficult it is to rank, 0 being the easiest and 100 being the hardest. Position is where you stand for that keyword. So if somebody searches Wetherington Chiropractic, you guys are in the first position. Chiropractor Pooler, Georgia, there's 250 searches a month. You guys are sitting in the 8th position. Savannah Chiropractor, there's 250 searches a month. You're sitting in the 12th position. Chiropractor Savannah, Georgia, there are 200 searches. You're in the 12th position. So we can see that there's quite a bit of searches for Savannah and about 250 for Pooler. And so statistically speaking, the guy in the first position gets about 33% of all those clicks. So we definitely want to get you moved up. So just to do a recap for you, you want to go ahead and get, I would say, another few thousand words added to your homepage. So that way you can compete with dynamic spine and rehab. Go ahead and get your photos saved as keywords. I would go ahead and optimize your GMB and get another 350 citations. So that way you can make it to the top 3 positions. And then go ahead and get some relative powerful and trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your site. That is it. These are all things you can do yourself, but if you'd like to take the most effective route, you can call me at 912-661-3473 or just reach out to me with my email at info@peerlessstrategies.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.